to the Love Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tuesday baked chicken. And you're like, why Tuesday? Because you can actually make it any day of the week, and Tuesday sounded like the most uninteresting day, so why not liven it up with some baked chicken, right? All right, I'm using chicken thighs today because I think thighs make the best baked chicken. I'm using skin on, bone in because I want all the flavor. All right, first things first, I've got a nice little pan here that I'm cooking these in. It's almost like a pie plate. Cool part when you're cooking chicken with the bone on, it's okay if it's close together. It's real good actually for it to get friendly, so don't even worry about it. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is start with some olive oil, okay? I'm going to start under here, just put a little olive oil, okay? Under here. This is gonna help our little chicken along, okay? And we're going to take some bouillon. Now I'm using like a chicken stock, or I use Better Than Bouillon a lot. And I'm taking a little bit of water with a brush, okay? And what I'm doing, wet your brush just a little, take just a little bit of this, and you wanna just kind of brush it on your chicken, okay? This is gonna spread around. It doesn't have to sit directly on the chicken, okay? Meaning it doesn't have to perfectly spread out. You really just want it to be in the mix of the liquids that are gonna collect with the chicken as it cooks. Y'all see what I mean. These are the little things that I'm telling you that take your chicken to a whole nother level, okay? Just trust me on this. All right, so I put a little on there to get started. We're going to now go in and season this chicken. Now I'm using kind of everything seasoning. I'm gonna start with a nice big hunk of salt, okay? Don't be afraid to salt your food, but also remember that bouillon's gonna have some flavoring in it as well, some salt as well, okay? So there's a little bit of salt in there. Now we're gonna go in. I took out all these spices because this is how you make everyday chicken. You make it easy. Put some of everything you got in there, baby. Some garlic powder. No, we don't measure, we shake. Just like this, see that? Okay? Put enough on. Somebody say, how much do you put on? Enough. All right, I got some minced onion here. Yeah. Minced onion is nice because since you're not using regular onions, it's actually dried onions that have been cut up. So it's almost like having real onions in there. All right, I got some parsley flakes. Y'all see how real time this is? This is like real, you don't want to open. No shit, open up. Okay, we'll open this side. There, ha, I win. There, some parsley. I didn't want to break my nail trying to get that other side. I've got another week to go on this manicure. And a little paprika for some smoky flavor. And also a little color. Just makes it pretty. Pretty food is important. It is. And this is one thing I love. Herbs de Provence. Is that how you say it? I don't know, I'm Alabama, not French. Anyway, there's like a wonderful mixture of general herbs in this. And it just really makes any food absolutely amazing. Okay, so we put all of those on there, okay? Now we're gonna go back and put a little bit more olive oil, like this. And you're wondering about the other side. I tell you, this is the part I like now. Take you a glove. Put your cute bracelets back. And I just literally do this number right here. I go in, you see that? See how I'm doing that? And I'm just kind of mixing all these chicken pieces up together so everything is getting spread throughout. You see that? Look at that. See? And I can even go back now with a little bit more of this bouillon. Probably should have done this way to begin with. And I've just got it on my hand, and I'm just getting it all on the chicken as I mix it up. I think I like that better than brushing it. Yeah, do that, okay? There we go. Now you see how good that looks? Now that's some seasoned chicken right there. Look at that. It should look good. Okay, so we're gonna turn it back skin side up. Okay, then remember, we have a little bit of olive oil in there. You can add a little more, but be careful because as this chicken cooks, remember the skin is mostly fat. So as the chicken cooks, it's going to cook in its own fats and whatnot. See that paprika gave it a little bit of color? I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna hit it with one more little bit of salt because I don't like my food boring. I'm just saying. Trust me, it'll be all right. It ain't gonna be too salty. And then let's just hit the top with a little pepper. And I hit the top with a little pepper because everybody in my house does not like pepper. So I've learned how to not go overboard. All right, we're gonna cover this with some foil loosely. And I'm gonna cover it loosely with foil for about the first 20 to 30 minutes of baking, and then I'm gonna take it off and let it finish. I'm gonna cook this on 375 degrees in the oven. It'll take 45 minutes to an hour. That's the only thing about baked chickens, it takes a while. But by putting the foil slightly over the top first, you let the flavor stay in there and the steam helps it cook. Then we take it off and let it finish. All right, into the oven she goes, 375 degrees for this Tuesday baked chicken. here. This was in the oven for 55 minutes in total. And look at how beautiful this chicken came out. You see how we got the additional fat from the skin cooked down and mixed in with the olive oil that we had in there. And I'm gonna tell you something, it smells delicious and there's a light crispness to the skin. It's not crispy like fried chicken, but I'm telling you there's a nice light crispness to it that's just amazing. And you can take this little juice this juice ratio, just pour it over and oh my gosh, this is gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna just put it on this really nice little platter here. Try my hand at making it look pretty. I'm not the best food pretty person, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest with you, okay? I'm a cook. I can cook it, but can I make it look pretty on the plate and all that? Well, y'all gonna have to pray for your girl when it comes to that. But I got a little idea on this one, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. How's that? Is that pretty-ish? There we go. Okay, fam, these look amazing. I'm gonna get a side dish going around here in the kitchen to go with it so we can have some good dinner and just take this extra little, don't throw this away. Don't you throw this away. Make that chicken glisten some more. Woo. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining me. I will see you guys next time right back here in the Love Lab for more of this good Calabama cooking. Get you some of these. Talk to you later. Love y'all. Bye.